Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2016 F-150 XLT in magnetic, grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4. It also has the XTR package, which means it has a chrome grille, bumpers, handles, and running board. It also has a trailer tow package and an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. The door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your power pedals located here, your lighting controls. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and there's a grab handle making it easier to get in. On the base of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as an odometer reading, and you also have a menu you can toggle through. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has tow haul and sport, and when you press it, you'll see tow haul to the right of the odometer reading, and then S for sport, and then back around again. In the center, there's a little cubby. You have hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, and right now we're seeing the display screen. So we're in settings, and we can slide through for things like Wi-Fi, Android Auto, and so forth. You can slide back through for different options. You can go into audio and choose your sources, which is AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And down below, volume and tuner, there's the CD player. Then you have your climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Down below, there's a cubby right down there, 12 volt and USB outlets. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's storage, and you can flip the seat up for another seating position, and then unclip it underneath. There's more storage and a couple of cup holders. Off to the side, there's a 12 volt, so you can power up and connect. There's a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and in the body there's a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. Wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handles, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and the backup camera is located just below that handle. You also have a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up the tailgate, you simply put your hand in, pull down. It's nicely lined with tie downs in all 4 corners. There's also a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, just lock it up, close it up, and walk away. Or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. In the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You easily lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position. Bring it down, simply pull the clip. And at the base, you have anchors to be able to tether baby seats. There's extra carpeted mats on the floor and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, there's a 12 volt and a couple of cup holders, grab handle in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a big window with rear defrost. Mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.